Hi, hello, welcome to Subhedar Sir's Academy. Today we are going to discuss a very important chapter, integration, which carries 18 marks, 18 marks in the board exam. So very important, and also for competitive part also it is most important. So let's begin with the integration chapter. 18 marks in all the parts it may ask. So 1 mark, fill in the MCQ, fill in the blanks, 2 marks, 3 marks, 5 marks, and also the last part E, 6 marks also, it carries 1 question. So in all the parts we are going to get 1 question from integration. ಸೊ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ ಅದಷ್ಟು ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನೇನು ಬರ್ತಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ ಅವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಸೊ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೇಕ್ these questions perfectly. Okay, so total how many questions? 6 questions, 18 marks. It is not small marks. Almost all, if at all one chapter perfect ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರು mathematics pass ನೀವು. ಅದಾ limited questions and important questions. So let's start with the integration topic. So today I am going to discuss first MCQ parts. MCQ question without option we are going to get the solution now. Okay, so first question, integration of 2x square plus e to the power x into dx. Here also I am going to explain you the part wise how we are going to apply the formulas, which formula we are going to recall. So by step I am going to explain you. So here given is the integration of 2x square plus e to the power x into dx. So this can also be written as integration of 2x square into dx plus integration of e to the power x into dx, right? In this can also be written as 2 is constant, take it outside, integration of x to the power n, integration of x to the power n into dx. We have formula x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, where c is a integration constant, right? So here compare these two. Here 2 is constant taken outside, we remains with integration of x square. In place of x we have x only, in place of n we have here 2. Then put n equal to 2 here, we are going to get integration of x square is x to the power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus, and also we know that integration of e to the power x into dx is e to the power x only, right? So plus c. So e to the power x integration is e to the power x only plus c. Again, why you are not writing, sir, 2 c plus and c plus? Because here we have 2 integration, 2 constants are not there, because constant plus constant is again a constant only. So no need to write 2 times, it is sufficient for only 1 time, right? So e to the power x plus c. Now what is the final answer? 2x cube divided by 3 plus e to the power x plus c. ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Okay, so next question, integration of 2x minus 3 cos x plus e to the power x into dx. Again here we have 3 functions, separate those one. We are going to get here integration of 2x into dx, minus 3 is constant, take it outside from integration, we remains with here cos x. So cos x into dx plus integration of e to the power x into dx. So after practicing directly you can also write, you have, right? So integration of 2x, differential integration is 2 is constant, x power is 1. So again I am going to use the same formula, because comparing these two we have same. In place of x we have x only, and in place of n we have only 1. So integration of x to the power 1 plus 1 is 2, that is x square divided by 2, minus 3 is constant, integration of cos x into dx is sin x plus c. So integration of cos x is sin x, so minus 3 sin x plus, again integration of e to the power x is e to the power x only, So e to the power x plus c, which is the correct answer. Write down. So next problem, integration of sin x plus cos x. First two formulas ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಈ problem very easy. So integration of sin x plus cos x is, this can also be written as integration of sin x into dx plus integration of cos x into dx. No need to write. You can, if you know the answer directly, you can mark it. So integration of sin x is minus cos x plus integration of cos x is sin x plus c, or this can also be written as sin x minus cos x plus c, which is the required solution. Right. Next question, integration of sec x into sec x plus tan x into dx is, removing bracket, we are going to get here sec square x, sec x into sec x is sec square x into dx plus integration of sec x into tan x is sec x tan x into dx. Integration of, we know that the formula integration of sec square x into dx is tan x, right? And also we have same formula, integration of sec x into tan x, direct formula, that is sec x. Differentiation the reverse hakumbidri mind hoga. So integration of sec square x is tan x plus integration of sec x into tan x is sec x plus c, which is the required solution. Same type of function is changed, right? So cosec x the integration, you know, integration of cosec into cosec square x, removing bracket we have cosec square x plus cosec x into cot x is the integration of cosec x into cot x into dx. Here also we have dx, right? So cosec square x integration is minus cot x plus cosec x into cot x is minus cosec x plus c, because in differentiation all c's are negative. All c's are negative. Reverse of that also here we are going to get a negative, right? So therefore cosec square x integration is minus cot x, cosec x into cot x integration is a minus cosec x plus c, which is the required solution. Note it down. So next problem, tan x plus cot x whole square, integration of tan x plus cot x the whole square into dx. A plus b whole square formula apply matter first. We get here in place of a we have tan x, that is tan square x plus cot square x plus 2 into tan x and cot x each are reciprocal. We know that the trigonometric formula, ratio formula, tan x into cot x is 1, right? Is 2 into 1 into dx. We don't have the formula for this one, tan square x, and also integration of cot square x also we don't have. So now simplify this one, tan square x plus cot square x. I will keep this 2 as it is. This 2 into 1 is 2. 2 can also be written as 1 plus 1, right? Into dx. And this can also be written as tan square x. We know that tan square x plus 1 is sec square x, right? Plus cot square x plus 1 is cosec square x. Trigonometry identities, cosec square x into dx is equal to, in previous example we have solved, sec square x integration is tan x minus cosec square c is negative, so c cosec square x integration is minus cot x plus c, which is the required solution, right? Similarly next one, sec x divided by sec x plus tan x. Important point, ಯಾವಾಗ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಎರಡು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ rationalize ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. So we get integration of sec x divided by sec x plus tan x into sec x minus tan x divided by sec x minus tan x. Now multiply numerator and denominator. Denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So that can also be written as integration of numerator sec x into sec x minus tan x divided by sec square x minus tan square x into dx. Recall the trigonometry identity, second identity, 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x. Now take this one to this side. We get 1 is equal to sec square x minus tan square x. So here denominator part sec square x minus tan square x can also be written as a 1. Right? This implies we remains with here integration of numerator, remove the bracket, sec x into sec x is a sec square x minus sec x into tan x is a sec x into tan x into dx. Denominator part is 1. Right? Sec square x integration is tan x minus sec x into tan x is sec x plus c, right, which is the required solution. Here also in the denominator part we have two functions, one is constant function, another one is a trigonometric function. So again rationalize without second thought, rationalize this one. Cos x divided by 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x divided by 1 minus cos x into dx. Same procedure, a plus b into a minus b, that is the integration of cos x into 1 is cos x minus cos square x divided by 1 plus 1 square minus cos square x into dx, because a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Right? In place of a we have 1 and in place of b we have cos x. So cos x numerator I will keep this one as it is, cos x minus cos square x divided by 1 minus cos square x is again trigonometry identity, so sin square x, because we know that sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Take this one to this side, 1 minus cos square x is equal to, we have sin square x. And here in the denominator part we have one part and numerator we have two functions. So this can also be written as integration of cos x divided by sin square x, can also be written as sin x into sin x, minus cos square x by sin square x is cot square x into dx. So here sin x, cos x by sin x, here we have cos x and sin x into 1 divided by sin x. Cos x by sin x is a cot x. Sin x by cos x by sin x, 1 by sin x is a cosec x minus cot square x into dx. In the previous example also we have here cot square x. What we have done that one? That time we have converted this one in terms of cosec, because we don't have the cot square integration. So here this can also be written as integration of cot x into cosec x into dx minus integration of cot square x can also be written as cosec square x minus 1 into dx, because we know that 1 plus cot square x is equal to cosec square x, because of third identity of trigonometry, right? Now simplify this one. Integration of cosec x sorry integration of cot x into cosec x is a minus cosec x, minus into cosec square x minus cosec square x integration is here we have cosec square x integration is minus cot x. So minus into minus plus cot x, minus into minus plus 1 integration is x plus c, which is our required solution. Note it down. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಒಳಗ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ MCQ ಒಳಗ 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾರ. ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನೈತೆ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗ, ಸೊ 9th ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ e to the power x into 1 by x minus 1 upon x square into dx. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ e to the power x into f of x minus f dash of x into dx. f of x ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಎರಡು ಇತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರ ಅದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಿರ್ತೈತಿ, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ e to the power x f of x plus c. Compare these two. Just observe the function inside the function. 1 by x, differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 upon x square, right? So directly the answer is integration, answer is e to the power x into 1 by x plus c, because in place of f of x we have 1 by x. So answer is e to the power x divided by x plus c. In this case, option C is the correct answer. Similarly, one more we have here, integration of x into sin x into dx. Here we have function product of two functions, and also we have formula integration of f of x into dx into g of x, product of two function f of x into g of x into dx. Here f is also function of x and g is also function of x. Compare these two. In place of f of x we have x and sin of x. For this one we have to apply first Euler rule. Euler rule ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? I ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ integration inverse trigonometry, L ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ logarithm functions, and algebraic function, trigonometric function and exponential function. First we have to arrange these functions, given functions in this form. So after that we have formula f of x into g of x. Write down f of x, keep it as it is, and integrate g of x into dx minus integration of f dash of x integration of g of x into dx into dx. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಸಿ ಐಲೈಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರೈಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. x is the algebraic function, sin x is the trigonometric function, right? So we have in the same form. Here we have f of x is equal to x and g of x is equal to sin x, right? Differentiation of x is 1, right? And g of x, integration of g of x is what is the integration of sin x? Minus cos x, right? So here we are going to substitute this equal to, see here, in place of f of x we have x, integration of g of x into dx is minus cos x, minus integration of f dash of x is 1, right? Again integration of g of x into dx is minus cos x into minus cos x, and here we remains with 1 dx because still our integration symbol is here, right? So now simplify this one, we get minus x cos x, minus into minus plus 1 into cos x is integration of cos x into dx. So minus x cos x, integration of cos x is sin x plus c, which is our required solution. So in this question paper the final answer is minus x cos x sorry ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟದರ, ಇದರ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬರಿತೇನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ plus c, option D minus cos x minus sin x plus c. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನ್ ಬಂದತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರ ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ 1 MCQ ಒಳಗ ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ವರಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ minus x cos x plus sin x plus c. Note it down, very very important. So next questions, here we have 4 problems. Okay, within a minute we are going to solve this problem, right? So integration of sin cube x plus cos cube x divided by sin square x cos square x. ಏನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಥಾಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಎರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅದಾವ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅದಾವ, ಬಟ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ. ಸೊ split the numerator sin cube x, that is sin cube x divided by sin square x into cos square x into dx plus integration of cos cube x divided by sin square x into cos square x. Numerator and denominator cancel madri. We remains with sin x divided by cos square x. Sin x by cos square x can also be written as sin by cos is tan x, 1 by cos is sec x, right, into dx plus integration of cos cube cos square cancel ಆಯ್ತು, 1 cos x with sin square x with sin cos by sin is cot x, cos by sin 1 by sin is cosec x into dx. We have directly integration of tan x into sec x is sec x plus cot x into cosec x is minus cosec x plus c, which is the required solution. Next question, integration of square root of 1 plus cos 2x. We know that formula, cos 2x formula, cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x, right? So take this one this side and this one this side. We have remains with 2 sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. This is one formula. And another we have cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Take this minus 1 to this side. We get 2 cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x. Here we have 1 plus cos 2x. So directly this 1 plus 2 cos 2x can also be replaced as 2 cos square x into dx. So it is under root, so root 2 cos square x and root under root cos square x is cos x. So that is integration into dx. Root 2 is constant, keep it as it is. Integration of cos x is sin x plus c. So which is the required solution. Here also we have 1 minus cos 2x. 1 minus cos 2x can also be written as 2 sin square x. So this can also be written as integration of square root of 2 sin square x into dx. Root 2 as it is constant, take it outside. Integration of root of sin square x into dx. This is nothing but root 2 integration of sin x into dx, because under root it is. So therefore integration of sin x is minus cos x, that is root minus root 2 cos x plus c. And again also we have here integration of 1 minus cos 2x divided by 1 plus cos 2x, and here we have formula 1 minus cos 2x is nothing but 2 sin square x, and 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x into dx. 2 get cancel, and sin square by cos square is tan square x into dx. Tan square integration illa, so ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ trigonometry identity ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Second identity sec square x minus 1 into dx. Sec square x integration is tan x minus 1 integration is x plus c, which is the required solution. ಇನ್ನು ತನಕ ಯಾರು ಸುಬೇದಾರ್ ಸರ್ಸ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗ್ರಿ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ MCQ mark down in this 14 questions only you are going to get 99%. I am assuring you these questions may ask in MCQ. So go through this one, like ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, share ಮಾಡ್ರಿ.